Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to AIMSDARETOSUCCESS YouTube channel. Today we are discussing Senior Inter Maths 2A Complex Numbers. Today's concept is very interesting chapter and very important concept for exams. Okay, this is the 8th video. Are you getting my voice clearly? I hope you are getting my voice. Okay, now I can explain you modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form or polar form. This is today's concept. Now I can write a problem. Express 1 plus I root 3 in modulus amplitude form. Okay, my dears, this is the question 1 plus I root 3. So now I am starting solution. 1 plus I root 3 is equals to, for this we can apply modulus. Modulus means root over 1 square plus root 3 whole square. Root over 1 square is 1 plus square root get cancelled 3. Root 1 plus 3 is 4. Root 4 is 2. Okay, this is modulus value. Now we can take a given value 1 plus I root 3. Now we got modulus value 2. So 2 multiply outside and 2 divide inside. Plus I into root 3 by 2. This part you must write in terms of cos and in terms of sine. Modulus amplitude form or polar form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So that's why 2 into in terms of 1 by 2 value, in terms of cos 1 by 2 value cos 60 plus I into in terms of sine root 3 by 2 value sin 60. Okay, this is the modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r value 2, theta value 60. This is one procedure, my dears. Now I can explain you another method. Okay, second method. First of all, same to same given value is 1 plus I root 3. This can be written as x plus I. Here x is equals to 1, y is equals to root 3. Okay, now we will take modulus. Already we have completed now. So same to same, modulus 1 plus I root 3 is equals to root over 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1 plus square root get cancelled 3. So root over 1 plus 3 is 4, root 4 is 2. Later we want to find theta. Okay, modulus amplitude form, theta is equals to, we can use like this, theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse, what is y value here? Root 3 by x value is 1. Okay, my dear. So tan inverse root 3 by 1 is root 3. So theta is equals to tan inverse. In terms of tan, root 3 value is tan 60. So tan inverse tan get cancelled, theta is equals to 60 degrees. Same to same concept. Okay, my dears, here theta is equals to 60 degrees. So modulus amplitude form of 1 plus I root 3 is equals to, formula is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So here r value is modulus value 2. So 2 into cos theta. What is theta value? 60 plus I sin theta value is 60. Here, my dears, 1 into root 3. 1 root 3 both are plus. Okay, so I am taking like this. This is x-axis, y-axis, x dash and y dash. First quadrant plus. Okay, second quadrant x minus y plus, and third quadrant x minus and y minus. Coming to here, fourth quadrant x plus y minus. So according to this concept, here x and y both are positive, that is that is 1 comma root 3 lies in quadrant 1, first quadrant. That's why theta value 60 degrees. If you use this concept or this concept, we will get same to same answer. So which method is easy to you? You can follow that method. ఏది ఈజీగా ఉంటే అది కంటిన్యూ అయిపోండి. I think this is the easiest one. Okay, now I will continue next question. Amma, I am writing here second problem is write write z is equals to minus root 7 plus I into root 21 in the polar form. Modulus amplitude form లేదంటే polar form, both are same to same. Okay, my dears, I hope you all are getting my voice clearly. And given z is equals to minus root 7 plus I into root 21. This is look like x plus iy. Here x is equals to real part minus root 7. Y is equals to imaginary part root 21. Okay, here mod of ante modulus given value mod of minus root 7 plus I root 21 equal to, modulus means root over real part ki whole square. Real part is minus root 7 whole square plus imaginary part root 21 whole square. Minus to the power even number, it becomes plus, and square root get cancelled 7. Next square root get cancelled 21. Root over 21 plus 7 is root 28. So this is r value. Okay, modulus value completed, my dears. And here you will check quadrant minus and plus. So minus root 7 plus root 21, they are minus plus. Which quadrant? Minus plus which quadrant? Minus plus is in second quadrant, so lies in second quadrant. Okay, according to this concept you will continue. Okay, second quadrant related value you will continue. Now given value is minus root 7 plus I root 21 is equal to multiply and divide by this value, that is root 28 into minus root 7 by root 28 plus I into root 21 by root 28. Okay, I am continuing this method. Okay, so here root 28 will be same to same into minus root 7 divided by, this can be written as root 28 is inside of the root 7 4s are 28, and split it root 7 into root 4. Root 4 value I will write 2 only, plus I into here root 21 can be written as root 7 into root 3. Okay, 7 3s are 21, split root for both, root 7 into root 3 divided by root over 7 4s are 28, split the root individually, root 7 into root 4 is 2. So root 7 get cancelled, root 7 get cancelled. Next value is 20 root 28 inka minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Okay, my dears. So after simplifying, we got root 28 into minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Actually, without minus 1 by 2 is cos 60. Root 3 by 2 is sin 60. But here minus 1 by 2 undindi. Mara em cheyala. Okay na. So here I will explain you cos 120. Cos 120 can be written as cos 180 minus 60. Cos 180 minus 60 is minus cos 60. Minus will be same, cos 60 value 1 by 2. Okay, like that, minus 1 by 2 value cos 120. Why? Because theta, given minus or plus values related, there lies in second quadrant. Similarly, we can take sin 120. Sin 120 is 180 minus 60. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Like that, sin 180 minus 60 is sin 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Okay, so for this step we will continue. This is root 28 into minus 1 by 2 value cos 120 plus I into root 3 by 2 value is sin 120. Okay, this is the polar form. I hope you all are understanding clearly. So polar form concept is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, r value root 20, theta value 120. This is the one of the method. Okay, my dears, if you want to do like this method, you can continue any one method. Okay, already I told you one question. Now I will continue to next question. I hope you all are understanding clearly. If you satisfy with my explanation, like this video, comment to this video. మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ని ఇందులో కమెంట్ రూపంలో మాకు తెలియజేయండి. ఓకే, డ్రాప్ యువర్ comment in the comment box. Just like and tap the bell icon. You will get notifications coming new videos. Okay, modulus amplitude form minus root 3 plus I. This is the next problem. Polar form or modulus amplitude form. So given value minus root 3 plus I. can be written as minus root 3 plus I into 1. This is x plus iy. Here x is equals to minus root 3 and y is equals to 1. First of all, modulus form you can apply. Okay, mod of minus root 3 plus I. I is I into 1. So root over minus root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square is equals to root over minus to the power even number, it becomes plus. Square root get cancelled, 3 will come, plus 1 square is 1. So root over 3 plus 1 is 4. Root 4 value 2. This is R value. Okay, modulus form related to we are getting R. Okay, my dears. Now I am writing given value minus root 3 ఇంకా 1, that is minus plus. They lies in which quadrant, my dears? Minus plus second quadrant. Okay, lies in second quadrant. So second quadrant related values we must get. Okay, now in the next okay, given value you can take it minus root 3 plus I. This can be written as R value multiply and divide 2 into minus root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2 in terms of cos you can write it, and 1 by 2 in terms of sine, but theta lies in second quadrant. Okay, my dears, second quadrant minus root 3 by 2 value cos 150. Cos 150 value, how do you get minus root 3 by 2? I will explain here. So cos 150 can be written as cos 180 minus 30. Cos 180 minus 30 is minus cos 30 is equals to minus will be same. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Okay, satisfying. Similarly, next 1 by 2 value same to same quadrant related, same to same. Sin 150 is equals to sine of 180 minus 30. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Like that, sin 180 minus 30 is sin 30. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly. Now this part can be written as 2 will be same to same minus root 3 by 2 in terms of cos 150 plus I into 1 by 2 in terms of sine 150. Modulus amplitude form is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here R value is 2, theta value is 150. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. Okay, now I can take one more question, same to same like this concept, modulus amplitude form. Now the next problem, express minus 1 minus I in the polar form or modulus amplitude form. Okay, right. First given value is minus 1 minus I. So this can be written as minus 1 plus I into minus 1. This is in the form of x plus iy. Here x is equals to minus 1 as well as y is equals to minus 1. Okay, for this modulus amplitude form, modulus form you can apply. So mod minus 1 minus I is equals to minus 1 whole square plus minus I means minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is 1 1s are 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 1s are 1. Root 1 plus 1 is equals to root 2. This is our value. Okay. Here my dears minus ఇంకా y value also minus. Minus lies in third quadrant. Once check it. Third quadrant minus lies in quadrant 3. Okay. Third quadrant. Okay. According to third quadrant values, we will get the remaining values. Okay, my dears. Here multiplying and dividing, given value is minus 1 minus I is equals to root 2 multiply outside minus 1 by root 2 divide inside minus I into 1 by root 2. Okay, write it. Third quadrant means theta belongs to open interval minus pi to closed interval pi. Minus 180 is not coming. From that closed interval 180 వరకే ఉంటుంది. Okay, according to this ideas we can write it. This part is cos of this can be written as 1 second. This part can be written as root 2 into e minus 1 by root 2 minus going to inside plus I into minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now cos of minus 135. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus 135 is cos 135. Cos 135 can be written as cos of 180 minus 45. Okay, cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Like that, cos of 180 minus 45 is minus cos 45. So minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So matching. Next, same to same, sin of minus 135. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Okay, like that, sin of minus 135 is minus sin 35. Okay, minus will be same. Sin 135 is sin 180 minus 45. So sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Like that, sin 180 minus 45 is sin 45. Outside minus, same to same, is equals to minus sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Matching. Okay, now you will continue. So r is root 2 into minus 1 by root 2 is cos of minus 135 plus I into sin of minus 135. This is a required answer. So this minus coming outside, you can write like that also. Root 2 into cos of minus 135 is cos 135. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus come outside, minus I sin 135. You may write any one value. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly. Now I am taking one more question. Express minus 1 minus I root 3 in the modulus amplitude form. Okay, modulus amplitude form or polar form, both are same to same. Chalo, given value minus 1 minus I root 3. This can be written as minus 1 plus I into minus root 3. So this is in the form of x plus iy. Here x value is minus 1 is y value minus root 3. Okay. Here x value minus y value minus, they are lies in third quadrant. Minus lies in third quadrant. Okay my dears, write it according to this. Theta belongs to open interval minus 180 to closed interval 180. So according to this you will continue mod form. Modulus minus 1 minus I root 3 is equals to root over minus 1 whole square plus imaginary value minus root 3 whole square. Okay, so root over minus 1 whole square is 1 plus root minus whole square is plus root 3 whole square is 3. Okay, so root over 1 plus 3 is 4. Root 4 is 2. 2 means this is R value. So given value minus 1 minus I root 3 is equals to, this can be written as minus 1 plus I into minus root 3. So 2 multiply outside into 2 division inside. So minus 1 by 2 plus I into minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So according to this my dears, here minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 values you will convert. Okay, now I am taking this is cos of minus 120. So cos of minus theta is cos theta, like that cos of minus 120 is cos 120. Cos 120 can be written as cos of 180 minus 60. Okay, cos of 180 minus 60 is minus cos 60 is equals to minus cos 160 value 1 by 2. It is matching. Now we will take sine minus 120. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, like that sine of minus 120 is minus sine 120. Okay, minus sine 120 is sine of 180 minus 60. So minus sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, like that sine 180 minus 60 is sine 60. So minus sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So this is also matching. Now I am taking this value continuation, 2 will be same. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 value cos of minus 120 plus I into sine of minus 120. This is the final answer. Otherwise, if you want to write 2 into cos of minus 120 is cos 120. Next plus I into sine of minus 120 is minus sine 120. So minus come outside, minus I into sine 120. This is in the form of polar form, r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here I into sin theta negative symbol, so minus I sin 20. Okay, so this is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. Now I am taking next problem, polar form related or modulus amplitude form related. Now express 1 minus I in the modulus amplitude form or polar form. 1 minus I given value. Okay, 1 minus I can be written as 1 plus I into minus 1. This is x plus iy. Here x value is 1, y value is minus 1. Okay, my dears, x plus y minus, so plus minus in which quadrant, my dears? Fourth quadrant. Okay, we will continue that only. Plus minus lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, so fourth quadrant related values you will write it. So apply modulus form mod of 1 minus I is equals to root over 1 whole square plus I coefficient minus 1 whole square. So root over 1 square 1 plus minus 1 whole square is also 1. Root over 1 plus 1 is 2. Kabatti root 2 is our value. Okay. After that, given value is 1 minus I is equals to root 2 multiply outside and root 2 division inside. 1 by 2 minus I into 1 by root 2. Okay, my dears. So this can be written as root 2 into 1 by root 2. This is plus I into this minus come inside minus 1 by root 2. Okay, here we will write it in terms of cos and sine values. Here plus or minus at a time both are plus means we will write cos 45 in cos sine 45. Okay, my dears, so here I am taking like this, cos of minus 45 is equal to cos of minus theta is cos theta, like that. Cos of minus 45 is cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Like that, sine of minus 45 is sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Like that, sine of minus 45 is minus sine 45. So minus sine 45 value 1 by root 2. Yes, both are matching. So according to this value, I am continuing root 2 into first value 1 by root 2 is cos of minus 45 plus I into sine of minus 45. Okay, so root 2 into cos of minus theta is cos theta. Next, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus come outside minus I sine 45. This is look like R into cos theta minus I sine theta. This is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. Modulus amplitude form means R into cos theta plus I sine theta. One more type, modulus amplitude or amplitude form, that is theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. You can use any one, but you can remember modulus amplitude form or polar form, theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Okay, both methods are very useful and easy. For sometimes it is easy, but for sometimes we must use this concept only. Okay, ఇది ఎక్కువగా మనం యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన కాన్సెప్ట్ మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, ఓన్లీ ఈ ఫార్ములా హెల్ప్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు మనం ఇదే తీసుకోవాలి, అది కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అందుకే నేను రెండు మెథడ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన, బట్ ఇదైతే కొంచెం షార్ట్లీ వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి తీసుకున్నా. ఇట్లా కూడా మీకు రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇదే టైప్లో మీరు ట్రై చేసుకోండి. ఆన్సర్స్ ఏమొస్తుందో రాదో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే మై డియర్స్, నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నా, అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే, ఎ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఎ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్, మై డియర్స్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ లిజనింగ్, వెన్ యూ ఆర్ లిజనింగ్ యూ మస్ట్ టేక్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్ అండ్ రైట్ ఎట్ ఏ టైమ్. వినాలి, రాసుకోవాలి, అప్పుడే మీకు ఆ మెథడ్ అనేది మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి, కాలేజీలో ఇంటి దగ్గర ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే మై డియర్స్, ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, ప్రాక్టీస్ కీప్స్ ఏ స్టూడెంట్ టాప్ లెవెల్. మీరు టాప్ లెవెల్లో ఉండాలంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎప్పుడు వైఫై లాగా మీ పక్కనే ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇందులో వేరే కాన్సెప్ట్ని మిక్స్ చేయలేము. ఓకే మై డియర్స్, సో హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే. Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet you in the next class, next video, next concept.